Okay, we're just gonna jump right in here. Gonna get some paint up on the base here. Just getting it down there so I have a idea of what the white looks like over the blue. Kind of using the base as a test for the skin. So yeah, that's what's going down here. Okay, so we got the base going. I just wanted to touch base with you guys. Well, I felt very sick during the painting of this and the filming of this. Ended up in the hospital, so I apologize if some of these shots aren't the greatest footage, but I decided to go ahead and make the last part of the video anyways. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, we made it through. Alright, and we're moving right along to some dry brushing. I used ceramite white. We just got a old junky brush here. I like to use it for my dry brushing. Put some paint on it, dab it off on a paper towel, test it, then put it on your mini. Okay, so getting a little further into the dry brushing here, you're really focusing on just kind of putting it on the top raised parts, maintaining the direction that you want. And you can really use this to do a lot of different things. The dry brushing technique is extremely versatile once you have it figured out. This is how I do it. Junky brush, put the paint on. I just explained it, but yeah, give it a try. Okay, just speeding it up here for you guys. There's a lot of dry brushing involved in this video, so bear with me, check it out, and by the end of this video you'll see what all this dry brushing work gets us to. Yep, and we're still dry brushing. We're up on the top half now, working it lightly on the skin, trying to get it where I assume the snow would collect had this beast been out in a snowstorm getting ready to swing that axe. Who knows how good I got it. I think it looks pretty good. If you wait around to the end, go ahead and comment. Let me know what you think. I would appreciate it. As you'll notice, and as I've probably mentioned before, I use my hand a lot to test my dry brushing and also my washes. The thumbnail's pretty great to check consistency. You could do it with anything, it's just my hand's already right there, so it just kind of gets used. And as always, thank you for support. If you're new and you're enjoying this, please subscribe, like, comment below. Check me out on social media. I've provided the links below also. So, show your support for the hobby, me, or just say whatever you want to say. Thank you. Right here we're going to just be taking some of this here Vallejo gloss white, and we're just going to mix that in with our ceramite white, and we're going to go in with that slightly shiny white now and just give the whole thing another light dry brushing to just really get the glisten from wet snow. At least this was my thoughts, so here you can watch me trying this for the first time. And again, if you hang around to the end, we'll see what we got. And here we are, the part we've all been waiting for. It's time to play around with some snow texture. I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing. All I know is I got this stuff right here. Decoart Snow Texture. Yeah. So that was donated to me by my really good friends Tom and Kelly. So we're gonna give that a try and see what happens. Like always, it's what I've got, so it's what I'm using. Mini-apocalypse style. Just scooping some of it out. Slapping it down, and away we go. We're gonna see if we can't get this guy looking like he just charged out in the middle of a blizzard to go find some treasure or slay some enemies, help some friends. I don't know, but he's gonna be cold. And now on to the Frost Giant. We got the base, I'm happy with it. Just plopping snow down, kind of wherever I felt like. Didn't really take anything into consideration. I just assumed no matter what, it was going to look pretty cool. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I hope you enjoy this bit of snow. I was pretty nervous to put the snow on his little bone helmet thing, or well, big bone helmet, but I went ahead with it anyways. I liked the way I had it going, but the point was to put snow on him, so now he's got snow on him. Alright, that should finish him up. That's where I'm going to call him done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, or little video, whatever you want to call it. This was part 4. So, if you want, go back and watch how I did the whole process. Thank you once again from Minneapolis.